fast birthday card after 4 tries. So, yeah, I needed a fast birthday card. Last time I did a fast birthday card, or a couple times ago, we did these flowers that, were simple and they came out good and they were easy. And these were just giving me the dickens of trouble. And so, that looks pretty horrible, right? Especially it's for a dude that's a birthday card. Anyway, so next I turned that over. I thought, let me try again. I just leave that as the back of the card here and try to do a dog, just a happy dog, I don't know if the guy's a dog lover, but, who could resist a happy looking, puppy dog type painting? And that was not coming out very good at all either. So, anyway, what happened after that? Well, let's see. Then, I tried, the guy's into basketball, so I tried a basketball illustration. And but I sort of grabbed this card just out of this pile. I could tell I had a pre-fold area in there, but much to my dismay, after finishing the happy birthday card, well, one thing, the fold cut off part of the happy birthday. The other thing was on the inside of the card, it says Costco. So here's the that's that fail, and then my significant other shot down that one just due to the Costco thing. Finally, I did the postcard with a watercolor of a basketball going into the hoop, and that one, 4th try, was a keeper.